In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can undo changes that we might have made in our files. And to do that, we'll be making use of the get checkout command. Here you can see the syntax of this command. It says get checkout and then double dash, then the name of the file. Double dash over here basically refers to the current branch. So what we'll be doing over here is this: in the current branch, we'll make some edits and then we will try to undo that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. So here you can see that this is our file, and what I'll do is I'll be deleting these two lines from this file, greetworld.txt. We'll save this, and the next thing is I'll be kind of closing this file so that we cannot make use of the undo feature that the editor provides. Now, next thing is if we go over here and say get status, let's see what it has to show. It says that the file greetworld has been modified, and just above it you will notice the command which says get store, get restore, get add. Okay, so we can go ahead and either make use of get restore file. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll also take a look at the other way that I just mentioned. So first is get restore and then the name of the file. So the file name is greetworld.txt. Press enter, and now if I open up this file greetworld.txt, you'll notice those two lines have been restored. Now let's go ahead and remove this one more time, save this file, close it, and now over here go and run this command get status. It again says that the file has been modified. Now let's see what was modified by making use of get diff, and here you can see that these lines were deleted, the ones in red. Press enter, and that's it. Now next we'll be making use of this command called get checkout dash dash, and the name of the file was greetworld.txt. Press enter, and now if I go and open it up, you'll see that the same lines have been restored now. Earlier we made use of the restore command, and then with this as well we kind of restored or undo our changes. Okay, so that's how we can do undo changes in working directory.